Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha, and in this video today I'm going to be setting up some new binders. I've got lots of new envelopes coming as well, and if you're interested in setting up your own binding system, if you've not done this before, or even if you have, then hopefully you'll find this video really useful. Come on in. Hello, my name's Samantha. I am a mum to two children, 14-year-olds and a 2-year-old. This channel is all about my journey of having quit my full-time teaching job to go part-time, to set up my own business and do lots of little side hustles, lots of little income streams, and just generally helping myself get through this crazy time, because I've still got about £4,500 worth of debt, I think, left to get through. I need to check out this end of this month. Before we do that, I just wanted to show you my May design as well. I've gone for the buzzer bees. I know obviously some of you have ordered these already, so you'll have already seen some of this theme, but if you haven't, then yeah, here it is. I'll just I really like it because being a northerner, we're all about the bees here. I've got a couple of the envelopes as well I wanted to share with you. These are going to be part of one of my new binders, which I've updated. Just going to show you what it looks like with some money in as well. So this is it without, and then if I just put, for example, £5 note in, oops, and a bit more different to the peeping style, or if I put in a £20 note, and we've got this one here as well. So these do come, these are the A6 ones, but they can come in A7 or A5 as well if you really wanted them. And of course I can do them in the zipper style. So if you look on the back, we've got like the B, so this would be the insert into the little zipper wallet as well. So different options there, and they should be on my store hopefully by the time this video gets up. You know what I'm like. These are already up because, you know, you've been able to order these since January, so that's for yeah, that's the May design, so I hope you like it. So as I said, I have got I need your help. I'm sort of stuck. It's taken me a while to record this video because I just don't know what to do, basically. Now, I've had a switch around of some of my fluid envelopes. I've given myself a new wallet, which is beauty. And the reason for that is because I need my hair cut more than anything else. And time was, I always used to get my hair done for free. So if you're not aware of the hack as I call it, there's a lot of places, well, every hairdresser basically has students, and they'll have trainees, and quite often they will advertise those trainees to do your hair for free. So to be able to qualify and to be able to pass, they have to have done so many haircuts, for example, or if you're training for colouring, they have to have done so many colours. I used to get my hair coloured and get it reduced price a lot of the time. You still have to pay for like the product itself, and then, but it's always checked by professionals, which is another reason why I like it as well. So that said, I haven't seen anywhere advertising for quite a while. I'm keeping my eye out still, but I do want to build that up. And I need my eyebrows doing, and all these things that I've put off doing, and I'm just a bit more mindful at the moment. I thought I'm investing a bit more time in myself and my self-care, and that's always one of the things that used to make me feel really good. So that's why I've come up with my new beauty envelope. Now, I actually thought it might be fun for you to see me put one of these envelopes together. So when I mentioned the zipper style envelope before, it was it's this one. So they come plain normally, and then of course you can put your inserts into them, which is really good. And these are good for when you've got like loose change and coins and things. It doesn't match with the rest of my wallets that's going to be in this band, so I know it's going to annoy Selena. Hi. But yeah, I wanted to do it anyway. So this one, as I said, I'm going to name this beauty. You can order the lettering and the pictures and things as well. At the moment, I've got it listed as part of my penny challenge. So if you're on, look at the penny challenge listing on my Etsy store and scroll through, you can just order the lettering specifically for that. But if you wanted to, I'm hopefully going to try and get it up as a separate order anyway. So when you order them, they get posted out, it'll have this like grid effectively on it. And I'll have done all this bit for you. So essentially, I'm transferring the lettering onto the blue grid, And what this does is it just makes it easier to pick up all the different letters and everything else, and it'll just hopefully peel off quite nicely, like so. And then you just transfer it onto whatever you want to transfer yours onto. So you don't need to use one of these special tools. I've got it to hand and I use it. It just peels off then nicely. There we go. So I could leave it blank, or I've also got a couple of designs here. I don't know, I think I might have made these ones too big for mine. I'm going to put the hair on. I don't know, might just leave it with the lettering on, which I quite like it with just the lettering on. So yeah, there's loads of different options that you can get different things on there. So I'm going to keep that one to one side. Right, let me explain about my binders. So you'll be familiar with me using my pink one, which I've taken the lettering off for now because I'm going to rename it. And I've got some new letters for that here. And you'll have seen this one. And more recently, this one. Now, the reason I'm switching up my binders is because if you've been watching me for a while, you'll know this has been annoying me for a while, this particular binder, because it's just not working. I had to switch up in that, yeah, I've got my new envelope and just moving things around, and this is where I got stuck. So I thought about doing a binder where I save up towards things that I pay annually, but then I'm thinking, well, I've already got my direct debits for things like my TV license and insurances. The only thing really, like, I don't know, I think I'm going to leave them as this. That's what I've come up to. And yeah, I've just added in a couple more new categories here into my sinking funds, but I've separated them in different ways. So I'm going to have like my big dreams one, and also have, where I put it, like this, like I've got the challenges one, and that isn't even on here. Challenges is sort of like separate, and I don't include it here because it's just sort of made up of to change and other bits of shrapnel that I might have. So that's to one side for now. I will organise it in a second. So I've got my fluid envelopes, my big dreams, and also then, like, in terms of the only annual thing I thought of was like my car tax and insurance. And yeah, I don't know. I've also put together a binder for holiday, so I'm going to start saving towards a holiday because I want to go on holiday mostly, mainly. Yeah, and then I just don't know. I then thought about setting one up for my business as well, but I wondered and wanted to know whether you'd be interested in whether I do a business account, like if I do business videos. I've sort of thought about doing them for a while. I wonder whether it would be useful for me to share them with you, but definitely do let me know about that. Right, so let's just have a look where we have got to. So for my fluid envelopes now, I should have my time for me, that, groceries, gifts, petrol. I'm going to take the school out of here. That's going to go over here because, like, this is the envelopes that I'm into and out of all the time, and I'm just going to switch it up with my new beauty envelope going in there. And my big dreams. So this is more sort of like my long term goal. So I know I've completed my emergency, that's filled, as is Holly, debt, education. I was going to do 2 separate binders, and I might still do yet, because I don't know whether they all fit together. My car needs going back in there. I've got out for a while for some reason. I just don't know what to do. What would you find easiest to use and understand and do, and what do you do? Like, I'll put them in for now. Because actually I need to make myself some of these extra envelopes. I've not yet got them to doing. I'm just mindful I don't actually get a lot of money. I don't get a lot of money. And I don't want to keep spreading everything so thin that, you know, I'm only putting a couple of pounds in or something, rather than really sort of hitting them hard. I just go, I don't know. Let's have a look at my savings challenges one anyway, because this was driving me nuts. I'm going to pull this apart. So that is my new binder done. I'm loving this one. I love this new pink glitter that I've got. Just recycled the old binder, why not? So we're all set up and I'm good now. I feel more confident I'm going to be able to do my plan for May. So yeah. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.